Welcome to Dad's DeFi Space. I'm Kevin, and I'm on my way to pick up one of my children at gymnastics. The life of a dad, of course. There's a storm brewing close to where we live. You can see it coming in from the distance. You can smell it. I truly believe that this is much like the current state of Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency markets. But before we get to the rest of the video, please let me extend my gratitude for each and every one of you for coming and spending a little piece of your day at Dad's DeFi Space. Remember, I'm your guide to everything crypto and DeFi. And if you enjoy the content, please like and subscribe and ping that notification bell so you never miss a video, and it helps support the channel. Be sure to check us out on X at CryptoZone1013, and also Telegram Dad DeFi 1013, and our webpage Dad's DeFi Space. Now, let's get into the video. After the FOMC meeting the other day, Bitcoin went on a tear. It pumped up above $87,000. We managed to get back above the 200-week moving average, and this is a big deal because the 200-week is our first line of resistance before we can continue on. Let's get one thing straight. I do not believe that the bull market is over, but that is just also my belief. I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice. But I've realized after 4 or 5 years in this, after 5 years in this space, that it's usually better to take the contrarian point of view. Not always, but usually. The thing is, there is a storm brewing, and that storm is gonna happen once Bitcoin reclaims 91.3K and goes back above our all-time high. I will feel so much better once we get back above the 20-week MA, the bull market support band, and we can continue on our journey. Now, we all know that this is going to take liquidity in the market. And if you were listening to the FOMC meeting, that's about to start slowly next month. Taking a look at Ethereum, briefly, a couple times, it's gotten back above $2,000. I'm not bullish on ETH until we get back at least $2,200, holding that as support, minimum. I'll be much more bullish on ETH once it starts to show strength against Bitcoin. A lot of times in this space, and you can check your favorite altcoins, see how it performs against Bitcoin, because if it performs well against Bitcoin, it's a good altcoin. Now, earlier in the video, we discussed the long-term storm. We were referring to the continuation of the bull market. But since we have not maintained support above the 200-week after this pump, and maybe we pump back up and support happens over the next few days or weeks. But if the 200-week is held as resistance, Bitcoin is going back down to lower levels, maybe a higher low, and then we can get back above the 200-week moving average, continue the bull run. These are the times we should be really paying attention to the market. That means you need good news sources, good education, and most importantly, a great community. Honestly, that's what I hope to build here, slowly over time. So please consider hitting that like button. It helps to get the video out to more people. Please support the channel by checking out some of our affiliate links. While we're waiting to see what Bitcoin is doing, this can be a great time to check out some of our free articles on Dad's DeFi Space. Some altcoin reviews, DeFi tutorials. What do you got to lose when it's free? For those who want to build and learn with me, check out my private group. There's links in the description. On that note, I am shorting Bitcoin right now. I like to be transparent on my channel, and I went short on some of my lending DeFi positions just because I wanted to hedge my long positions. Mistakes were made. We stayed too long during this correction, but that is what learning in this DeFi space is all about. If you're interested in trading, check out our link for Weeks non-KYC spot and perpetual trading exchange. Use our link below to receive $20,000 of USDT rewards and help support the channel if you're interested in trading. But be careful out there. Bitcoin has been volatile. I would always keep a tight stop loss on any position, of course, and trade support and resistance with small amounts of my portfolio. That's my play. Because again, I'm just a dad and none of this is financial advice. I'm just talking about what I like to do in these markets.